Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've done a beautiful G-Wagon 2020 and on there we fitted a Starline i96. How the system works is every time you jump in a vehicle, you try and start it without putting the code in. This is what will happen. It just won't start. So now every time you jump in a vehicle, go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a melody. There you go, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, it's got the facility that if you want to change the code, this is also straightforward. And how you do that is ignition on, get your disarm, and then hit this button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition on. You get 5 bleeps and now it's in a learn sequence procedure. So we're going to do something simple. So here we're going to go this time 1, 2, 3, 1. Wait for a melody. Got our melody. And again 1, 2, 3, 1. Wait for a melody. There you go. Code's been learnt. Right, so if we try the old code, 1, 2, 1, 2, no melody, so ignition off, ignition back on, new code, 1, 2, 3, 1, get your melody, start your vehicle. Really, really clever, really straightforward. Also with this system you can pair up to your phone with an app called Starline Key. Use it as an authorization tag, so you'd have to put in the buttons. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478.